I give me your top now so I can use it and do skirts.
Bouquet 5,000.
For the wrapper. Hi guys, spend a tremendous day with me at Awka, and here's my post. I think Awka is overhyped. Like, what's the hype for? There's nothing special about this place. Like, is there any place I haven't been? So you guys should recommend. Well, we're going out for an emergency installation. I'm looking for a tricycle. Aroma. I happen to be an assistant to my boss for a day. Sometimes. Because I don't carry camera now, they go one time me. He said did not give us a complete money, so we are going to trek under this hot weather. Well, with us, so. Guys, the most funny part is that we're going for this installation in a secondary school around Aroma. This one is no longer Gen Z generation. This one is Gen Z, whatever is going to be called. You guys to join me and watch everything to the end. Look at your face. So it's glowing. So guys, I'm still waiting to call the girls. It's not even though that my boy sends me on this wherever. Hello? Yeah, we have reached the room and we are still trekking. We trek to go away. The place is far. We have been trekking for almost 30 minutes now. Let me see my exercise. Do this. Aroma farm. This Aroma farm. Yeah. Is there any Queen's Convent here? Like it's about me.
No, just done this vending come out. After this,
okay, thank you. Okay, here's Aroma farm. See Aroma farm here. Look at the queens. Huh? Go here now. So guys, this is the place right there. We're almost getting to the place. This location. Let's come now. Look, I'm better against after the school. So this is another journey. So it means that maybe that building is the school. And not the boarding school. So I'm going to enter inside the school. I think here is the white canopy that she's talking about. I'm here for my cousin. It's not content creator. I'm here for my cousin, and I didn't know that I'm not supposed to wear a sneaker. Where will I get skates from?
Pay transport.
Will you give me transport?
No, give me call me. I
give me your top now so I can use it and do skirts. I can expand it now.
You want to the clothes.
Hey, follow that girl.
No worry, go find who go give. If I give you that price, bouquet 5,000.
For the wrapper? Don't worry, let me call her so that she'll...
They didn't allow us to come inside. They say we are wearing
How much
makeup.
Take it up.
Yes.
And then they're going, where is he? Who is the person?
It's too much. So guys, I'm praying to this school and I've tied my wrapper. So I'm waiting for the girl to come. These are coming.
Is it extra salad and cream?
They put extra for you, you're saying okay. Chop life.
When next are you going for another?
Who is the person doing the installation? Where is the class? Let's go and wear the wrapper now.